Right, here we have a 2-speed AC servo drive with a reactor speed control on the doors. So there's the servo drive. There's the door operator connections into the primary of the reactor. One of the secondaries of the reactor does your door close speed. Brilliant way of controlling it with by putting DC onto the saturation coil of the transformer. Reactance goes down rather than disappearing into the magnetic things. So you'll see there's a former going that way, and then there's a DC coil here. And it's a brilliant way of controlling variable AC for small currents at least, and it's fed into the rectifier to run the door operator. This is the servo drive controller anyway. MCU, which is the motor control unit. Main contactors, they don't reverse it on the thyristors on these ones like Express do. This is sort of halfway between, still using the floor selector for all your logic, because Otis weren't fast at moving to electronics on that. The other lift companies have done it years before them. Thyristor stack, security's been added, extra indicators have been added. Still got selenium rectifiers down the bottom there. Capacitor timers, protective layer of dust. There's the back of the thyristor firing unit. There's 3 transformers at the top, little 3-phase transformer. So I can fire them all at the correct time. Our floor selector, bank of diodes to isolate the inputs from the landing calls and car calls. Floor selector, your speed controls are done. Well, your selector drops in and out, it's just acceleration patterns on the drive. Door zones in the middle there. Okay, give it a run. Where are we? TC. There we go. Original Otis green for those that get worried about the colours, and then slightly lighter shade on the machine. And the tachometer box. Not a date yet. Probably late 80s, I'd imagine, judging by the rest of the building. Sales 60th square. Doesn't make a lot of sense from there. Somebody might be able to work it out. It's 3-phase motor. Got here. Oh, it might be 1980. Oh yeah, date 1980. August 1980, there you go. Still using mechanical selector in 1980 when all the other companies have gone to either relays or electronics. A lot of relays because it was an original, what you call logic was done on here. The doors are all done on there. What have we got over here? I think that's OSS, that pops up if it overspeeds the top and bottom limit. What have we got down there? Timers, I think. There'll be an earthquake board on here somewhere as well. Can't see where it is. Relay added up there. Or which limits to bridge out if you're doing a drop test. There's our governor down there. What sort of speed are we going at here? Car speed 90 mpm. No, it can't be right. Maybe 0.9. I don't know. That only does 4 floors. For the old type gearbox with a gland packer oil seal there. And a thrust nut in the back there to adjust the backlash. Somebody's attempted some rope oilers. Grease points on the motor at front and rear because it's the grease bearings there. Got the grease bearing over here. The sheath doesn't look too bad, it's not bottomed out. It's been re-roped in the last decade. More often than they've dusted the floor by the looks of it. Give it a run it to the bottom. Where are we? 1C. Got that distinctive noise of way of chopping AC motor. Slide over, shooting a rollback, that's how the drive gets its levelling accuracy. Fire plates like a bacon slicer. Telephone line, no longer used. It's all on digital. Not much more to see here, there's a flywheel in there. Yep, to add mass to smooth out the slowing and everything else. Very nice. The battery's got empty charge in it down there. Can't get them anymore. Oh yeah, and a brake release and a grease gun on the wall.